Bayraktar TB3 stuns NATO allies in first overseas operational test. The Bayraktar TB3 unmanned combat aerial vehicle, UCAV, developed by Turkish drone giant Baykar, carried out its first operational demonstration abroad as part of NATO's Steadfast DART 2026 exercise, according to a report on Sunday. During the maritime phase of Steadfast DART 2026, NATO's largest and most comprehensive exercise of 2026, the Bayraktar TB3 UCAV, deployed aboard Turkey's largest warship and drone carrier, TCG Anadolu, once again proved its capabilities with its short runway autonomous takeoff ability and strike power, the report by Anadolu agency said. Thus, the Turkish defense industry has achieved another significant milestone in naval aviation, the company said. Baykar also shared on Sunday a video of the mission on its official account on the Turkish social media platform N-Social. As part of the exercise, the Bayraktar TB3, stationed on the ship and taking off smoothly from the short runway, successfully destroyed designated surface targets with full accuracy using a dual-salvo MAML strike, the report further said. MAML lightweight smart micro-munition has been developed by Turkish missile maker Roketsan for unmanned aerial vehicles, light attack aircraft, and air-to-ground missions. MAML offers high strike precision and efficiency with alternative warheads against fixed and mobile targets. Military personnel from participating countries gave high praise following the national UCAV's successful engagement of maritime targets, the report also indicated. After striking the targets with full precision, the Bayraktar TB3 safely landed back on the TCG Anadolu, successfully completing the mission. The activity carries strategic importance as it marks the Bayraktar TB3's first operational demonstration in a foreign operational theater. TB3 drones are advanced aerial vehicles capable of folding wings and taking off or landing on carriers such as the TCG Anadolu. As the world's first UCAV capable of conducting operations by taking off and landing on short runway ships, the Bayraktar TB3 stands out in this regard. Currently, 3 Bayraktar TB3 UCAVs are deployed aboard the TCG Anadolu, and their performance in challenging geography such as the Baltic Sea is being closely followed by NATO allies. In the upcoming phases of the exercise, the Bayraktar TB3s will continue to showcase their capabilities at the highest level. According to the plan, 2 Bayraktar TB3 UCAVs are expected to take off consecutively from the TCG Anadolu in the coming days to conduct a coordinated operation. In this phase, 1 Bayraktar TB3 will carry out a dual-salvo MAML strike, while the other platform is expected to fire the more destructive MAMT munition. At the same time, on Distinguished Observer Day, the Bayraktar TB3 will present a special flight demonstration to NATO's senior command. According to the exercise scenario, it may also conduct a long-range flight mission. Defense experts assess the presence of the TCG Anadolu and the accompanying Turkish Naval Task Group in the Baltic Sea, where the Bayraktar TB3s are deployed, as one of the key elements of deterrence within Allied defense plans.